The National Weather Service in League City has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for eastern Colorado County in southeastern Texas, northeastern Wharton County in southeastern Texas, southeastern Austin County in southeastern Texas, western Fort Bend County in southeastern Texas, southern Waller County in southeastern Texas, west central Harris County in southeastern Texas, until 1:45 a.m. Central Daylight Time. At 1:15 a.m. Central Daylight Time, severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from near Sealy to 8 miles northeast of Eagle Lake to 15 miles northwest of Pierce, moving east at 45 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expect damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Rosenberg, Katy, Richmond, Wharton, Sealy, Brookshire, Eagle Lake, Pecan Grove, Southwestern Eldridge, or West Oaks, East Bernard, Wallace, Fulshear, Pleak, Simonton, San Felipe, Beasley, Pattison, Kendallton, Orchard, and Cinco Ranch. Remain alert for a possible tornado. Tornadoes can develop quickly from severe thunderstorms. If you spot a tornado, go at once into the basement or small central room in a sturdy structure. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building.